Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi TT Sport 230 brake Quattro with the S-tronic gearbox. The car's got the Xenon headlights along with the LED daytime running lights and also the front headlight washer jets. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 18-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels. Two-door coupe, so it is very nice with the body styling. Electronic rear spoiler with the twin polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving around to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the pillarless doors, the Alcantara suede on the inside of the door cards along with the electronic windows, heated mirrors and electronic folding exterior mirrors. Front sport seats with the leather bolsters and the Alcantara suede inserts. 3-spoke multifunctional flat bottom leather steering wheel with the comfort and sound pack, which includes the heated seats and the upgraded sound system. The car's got the light and rain sensors, which involves the automatic wipers and headlights. Audi's electronic handbrake with auto hold assist, the S-tronic gearbox and also technology package with navigation maps and also the centre console unit with a heating display. If you'd like any more information on this Audi TT Coupe, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.